It's me White here, and today we're going to like react how crazy like these 3D prints are, and we're here with Cooper. Say hi.
Oh, what's up, guys?
And AJ. Hello. And our special guest Kermit Frog. Like is Kermit Frog here. And I'm getting to the video.
Okay, so today we will be reacting to like the world records of 3D prints. So first we got the Speedy Bench, whatever that is, a boat model that can be printed in just 2 minutes and 9 seconds by a custom modified Ender 3 Pro printer, setting a new world record for speed printing. That's crazy.
Well, how big is the boat?
It's like I don't know how big it is. It doesn't show, but like I think it's like one of. Have you seen one of those boat things that like you could easily 3D print? Yeah, like those things. I think that's what they're talking about.
I 3D printed a Banshee. It took me 1 hour to print.
Yes, and this one only takes 2 minutes.
Okay, well, I'm the rate. So I rate that honestly at an 8 out of 10.
I rate that a 9 out of 10. That's just crazy to believe.
Okay, Agent? What?
Rate it. AJ,
Huh?
rate the thing.
8.
Okay. Kermit. Okay, next thing. Most 3D printers operated I don't know. The record for the most 3D printers operated simultaneously is held by Joseph Prusa with 1,096 printers achieved in Praga, Czech Republic.
Why would I hear so the world record about his like that much 3D printers running at the same time?
Yeah.
That's not that crazy to me. I rate it probably about like a 7.
Yeah, I'm gonna rate it a 5. AJ?
What?
Rate it!
7.
Okay.
Okay. I rate it a 8.
Okay, next we got most 3D printed 3D printer. What? That doesn't make sense.
More 3D printed mini 3D printers?
Most 3D printed 3D printer.
What?
What?
I think I know many 3D printers.
The open source RepWrap Snappy 1.1C printer was made using 2.4 kilograms of plastic filament to print 86 of its 110 pieces, showcasing the virtuality of 3D printing. That's crazy.
Okay, well, I don't even know what you said, so I'm going to rate it a 7.
I'm going to rate it a 7 too.
8. Oh, and Kermit Frog is going to say, we win.
Okay, next we got, this is the good one. World's largest polymer 3D printer. Okay, this is a big one to read. The Factory of the Future 1.0 FOF 1.0 printer, unveiled by the Universe of Maine, can print objects as long as 96 feet long by 32 feet wide and 18 feet high, setting a new world record for the longest polymer 3D printer. These records highlighted in the 3D printer technology from the personal object application. The records are a reflection of ongoing innovation and development in the field of additive manufacturing.
Okay. But I have to make a word for Guinness Book of World Records books. Hey, you guys need to put 3D printing parts in it. That's all I gotta say. You gotta put 3D printing parts in what? In the Guinness Book of World Records.
Yeah.
I already came out.
Okay. Wait. Don't talk. Okay. Next. That's all of it actually. So, what do you guys rate that?
I rated it 8 out of 10.
I rated that 9.5 out of 10. That's crazy to believe. What?
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Let's rate it 10 out of 10.
What about you, Wyatt?
10 out of 10.
I'm like Kermit. Okay, this is it for today, guys. Well, we might post again, too. Okay, 3. Okay, bye, guys.